Hi fellow birdies, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be doing something a little bit different. This is called the Not My Hands Challenge. You might be able to see her a little back there. She's going to be like doing the hands for me while I eat these hopefully delicious nachos. Are you ready?
I can't see what's in front of me, so I'm like basically touching like nachos with guacamole, plus the sour cream, and nacho cheese sauce.
But yeah, as far as toppings go, come on, I'll take this bite.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school.
Feels like more ground beefy.
Definitely with cheese.
So I was like, I put nacho cheese down, and then guacamole and sour cream, and then pico de gallo. So
Let's
I
try
can't see.
Oh,
What?
I shouldn't put it in, sweetie.
Oh, got a little Santa stool there.
You were doing fine. You just didn't put it in enough.
Have a giggle fence.
No worries. Bit further up, sweetie. Aim at my face, sweetie, or aim at my chin.
Well, I don't know where your mouth is, dude.
Wanky.
Oh man, this is a mess. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It feels like a lot of these bites I'm giving are really filled with toppings, so.
They are.
Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, you ate my hand! Oh, ew, this is soggy.
Not gonna lie, I really like this one.
Ew. That's a soggy chip. Ew. Oh my god. These are really soggy.
But they're good nachos. Like, mom.
Ew. How are you gonna eat the topping? Like, I'm not using my hands to pick up the topping. Like that, unless you... Oh gosh.
You need to put more on then.
More?
A lot more.
Boy, wanky.
Okay, let's see it.
Ow. I'm just kidding. Like... Ah, my hand.
Now again?
That's so gross.
Until next time.
Bye, birdies. We love you.
And this is Charles and Crystal signing off. Bye, birdie.